Hello and welcome to my channel. As you can see, the table is ready. Now I'm busy trying to uh, mount the electric motor and the V-belt pulleys. This dangly bit is where the engine gonna sit on, and the pulleys. This is the old frame with the old electric motor, and I don't like this. As you can see, the little round stock there supported a big flywheel with pulleys. I increased the size of the this piece is gonna replace that little one. As you can see, that flywheel was spinning around on a 15mm round stock thingy. I bought everything out to 25mm. As you can see, nice keyway. So I got these under the Christmas tree last year. I'm pretty happy with those, and the shaper will be too. So the shaft is ready. I made up some washes, well, fat washers and retaining rings. I drilled and tapped and put some little screws in the keys, so I can remove every time when I want. As you can see, here's the motor installed. Let's try. It's working. Now I only need to do something about those cables, but it's working. This is the other side, and here it goes up to the main pulley of the shaper. As you can see, it's cold. Made a little boo-boo, and this was not incalculated properly, so I had to grind it a little bit more out. The V-belt was touching this piece. I had milled this spot clear for the V-belt, but it need to be a little bit wider. And this hole, this one, yeah, some calculation failure from my side. Yeah, don't know where it went wrong. I made some 3D drawings with a program called FreeCAD. It's a very nice little program. I will show you some 3D images of the drawing. A little recap on the legs of the table. I welded the tabletop in the inside of the corners, so you got something like this. Then those legs will not fit. Got another one, as you can see. It will not fit. So I grounded the corner away of the top part in there, behind there, so to make them fit. Sorry, it's cold here. So sorry for the mist. I think I'm gonna stop the video here and I go inside, get warm. Thank you for watching.